So today we have our good friend and customer Ollie's 997 Porsche Turbo. We are fitting some Bilstein B16 adaptive coilovers, so it retains the original OEM PASM system, so you can have it sport, so it stiffens up the suspension. So we have to strip the interior for the rears, the fronts, you just have to strip the front tub out. We're going to get them all fitted, get the car on the floor, see where it's sat, raise it to the height that we think it's going to be nice to drive at, and then we'll get it in for a full geo. So I'll get on with the suspension. We've also got an exhaust to fit, but we'll get onto that afterwards. Okay, so that's the suspension fitted. We're now going to move on to the exhaust. So being a rear engined, we're going to have to remove the whole back end to gain access to it all. You'll see it all in the video. We've got, so I'm lucky because this car is very well kept. It's low mileage and it's been very well looked after. The exhaust, luckily for me, has been off in the last 3-4 months. These are well known for rusting on there because everything from the wheels gets kicked up onto the exhaust, so they get rotten. Most Porsches, you have massive issues with bolts snapping and rounding off and stuff, but I know this one's been off, so it should be quite a nice afternoon for me. So I'm going to get it stripped down and yeah, we'll make it sound nice. That's Ollie's Porsche all done. We're just on our final road test. The car already feels much better. It's solid on the road. The steering input is much better than it was. He's going to be more than happy, so you can put some miles on it. We've done a basic geometry on it, make sure it drives straight and doesn't ruin any of his tyres. But he can come back in 500 miles, we'll just check over everything, make sure he's happy with the ride heights, and hopefully he enjoys the car in the summer.
That is class, isn't it?
Much better.
That is class.
Not too loud.
No, that's perfect, mate.